What's going on, guys? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom, and today we're going to be viewing this brand new 2022 Keystone Fuzion model 373 toy hauler with 11-foot garage. This coach comes in at 39 feet in length with 3 total slides. And right now I've got all the slides closed in to show you what it looks like going down the road, as well as to tell some of my viewers that like to know, will you have access to the refrigerator or possibly a restroom to avoid letting any of the slides out. And on this coach here, you will not have access to the refrigerator, but definitely have access to both of the restrooms. We're going to start with the inside of the coach. We're going to go over the different features it has before heading outside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. Click the bell icon as well so you get notified every time we upload a new video to the channel. And let's get started. Wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek of all the awning space model 373 provides before heading inside. But if you're in the market for a toy hauler with around 11-foot garage, rear patio, or maybe even a bunkhouse fifth wheel with sleeping room for about 8, and you haven't considered a toy hauler. Well, the garage area on this coach turns into a couple of different arrangements, from seating to sleeping with the additional queen size bed there on the roof. I'll let that down closer towards the end. Or just room to store all of your stuff, maybe larger items like kayaks, chairs, tables. You don't always have to bring golf carts or Rangers along with you. 3 total slides with 2 opposing each other, giving you around 11 feet of move-about space inside 373. Solid surface countertops in the kitchen area with stainless steel appliances. 18 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. Convection microwave with a 22-inch oven. And I always make jokes about the ovens in some of these RVs never having enough room for full-time campers. Like if you want to cook a turkey, well, this one definitely does. Plenty of space, maybe for a smaller turkey or even a rotisserie chicken. And again, solid surface countertops all the way throughout the coach. The island in the middle is going to also act as your table with 4 additional pull-out stools. Not 100% certain on the low capacity on these stools, but did a great job for me, and I'm upwards of 250 pounds. Floor-to-ceiling pantry found on both sides of your television there. LED TV 50 inches across. That's going to be your sound bar. All electric fireplace producing around 5,000 BTUs of heat, but if you don't camp in the winter, you can always turn that off to maybe use the lights to assist some of your guests with moving about. Additional loft space found up there. There is a ladder, but I've got it stored at the moment. Slide box height over here of over 7 feet tall. Really tall slide box. Check out some of the light fixtures found over the island there. Blackout shades with the valance on both sides of the windows, and this furniture here is a Thomas Paine collection. The outer 2 are heated and massage. All 4 are recliners, and these center 2 fold down, giving you additional cup holders or these really cool 110 outlets and USB chargers right inside the armrest. Really convenient. Stainless steel drop-in sink with a high-rise faucet. And the hot water this year on this coach, normally last year's model had about a 10, sometimes a 12-gallon hot water heater. This year is coming with a tankless. Temperatures upwards of 130 degrees. And check out the bamboo added leaflets they give you as well. All the controls for the coach are found next to the entry door. A digital screen to control everything from your Onan generator, all of your lights, heated holding tanks, and awning operations, everything found right there next to the entry door. Even the central vacuum has been upgraded this year. You can still attach a hose, but you're just left with the option to just sweep all of your stuff right inside of your central vacuum, which is really great if you don't want to fool with a dustpan or just have to bend over. Coming out to the bedroom area, pass-through bathroom with a king-size bed. Dimensions on the bed are 60 by 80. You can have a kind of a shiplap looking headboard there with a brown accent to it. Roller shades on the left and to the right. You can have LED reading lights as well. Swinging around, pass through bathroom again with a sliding door there. 2 additional pull-out drawers. Fuzion comes standard with all the TVs already installed. So this model, you're going to have bedroom, garage, living area, 3 total TVs. Washer and dryer connections found in the closet. So this door opens this way. This one's going to slide. The shelf is removable if you decide to go with a washer and dryer, or if you just want to utilize the hanging rod up at the top there. But coming around, you have additional closet space found over here. These two are sliding doors, hanging rod, and I failed to point out the storage or the shelving next to the bed. You can have one shelf here with what appears to be a USB charger inside of there, 110 outlet there with additional shelving over here. Here in your bathroom area, porcelain foot flush toilet with some additional storage found underneath the bathroom sink with a corner medicine cabinet provided. You do have a ceiling height in the bathroom of around 80 inches, one-piece fiberglass shower, and you do have possibly a 3 to 4 inch step up to get into the shower, but it is a flush mounted shower, so once you're in the shower, you're going to have the full 80 inches of ceiling height and plenty of room to move about and change your clothes once you exit the shower. Heading to the back of the coach, where you've got this 11-foot garage that can be arranged to a couple of different arrangements, from seating or opening all this up to a sleeping arrangement. There is an additional, about the size of a queen size bed, located on the ceiling at the moment. I'm going to open it up here shortly to show you how much sleeping room we've got. Or you just want to extend the range of your dining room outside onto this rear patio. 1,500 pound low capacity on their fully enclosed patio on the outside, and I do have the table, which is normally found inside out here on the patio at the moment. Sliding style door on the back, and I call this a 3-season door because it doesn't quite close all the way off, preventing all the rain or additional wind from coming through. So just be mindful of that. If it starts to rain outside, you might want to close your rear ramp. Additional TV, and you do have a private half bath for all of your guests. This coach has a 5,000 pound low capacity on all the tie-down straps in the floor. The private half bath, you got a porcelain foot flush toilet, medicine cabinet with a sink provided also as well. And I failed to point out some of the additional storage. The ladder for the loft bed is stored in that storage compartment right there. So before heading outside, I went ahead and laid flat both of the beds found back here in this 11-foot garage to show you guys how much sleeping room you'd possibly have. In relation to size, they're definitely longer than a traditional residential size bed, and they're just as wide as a queen size bed. But before we go outside, date and time of making the video, MSRP on this camper of $117,947. Coming out you 39 feet in length with 3 total slides is this 2022 Keystone Fuzion model 373. Toy hauler with 11-foot garage, 3 air conditioners, 3 slides, 3 awnings, sleeping room for about 8 individuals. Coach is going to have a dry weight of 14,300 pounds. And speaking of weight, up here on the Kingpin, hitch weight of 3,155 pounds. So make sure you're within the load and tow capacity of your truck before purchasing this model. Coach is going to be leveled from a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. And Keystone does it great by placing the controls within direct line of sight of the Kingpin. It's more of a safety thing to me when raising and lowering something this size. I like to be within direct line of sight of that. Coach is 100 inches wide, 39 inches long. Both of the propane bottles found underneath the gooseneck area here. You do have some additional storage found above the generator, but over here on the generator side, there's no latch to hold that door open, but there is a 5,500 watt Onan generator tucked nicely away in here. Coming around to the main side of the coach, you have 3 total awnings, 2 on this side, 13 feet and 10 feet. And there's about a 7-foot awning found on the back. Give you guys a shot of some of the storage area on the front of the model. Pass-through storage, heated garage. Step above entry steps, those do flip up and inside the door. Nicer big grab handle. Here's a shot of some of the stickers found on the outside. New this year for the 22 season with Keystone is the Solar Flex 200. It's a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Sends over a charge to the 30 amp charger. But the system's designed for you to grow into. You can upgrade it to a 400 or even a 600 watt. Options are endless. Coming around to the back of the coach, You're still gonna have the same size entry door on both doors, 30 inches wide, about 6 feet tall, friction hinge there. And that's that all metal, kind of a toolbox for all of your tools. Great place to store all of your stuff, maybe when you pull your side-by-side or maybe your golf cart up, place to store all of your greasy tools at. G-rated patio on the back, spring assist. You can raise and lower this with one finger. Makes it that much easier for everybody to really get this thing fully set up. Retractable ladder on the side, fully walkable roof. And there's a ladder extension up there to assist with getting up and down. This coach does have a filling station, 2 30-gallon fuel tanks. One for your Odan generator on the front, and a second for all of your toys. Unleaded gasoline, not diesel, and that is the controls to operate the 12-volt system right here as well. Power connections found on the back of the coach. Let's talk the sewer connections. Even though this is a bath-and-a-half model, they do it nicely with only having one sewer connection found underneath this slide system here. And all the pull handles to control it are going to be tucked in here. All of your pull handles, your black tank flush, city water connections found in the water management system here. And that is a shot of the tankless hot water heater that is now standard on the new 2022 Keystone Fuzions. So I've gone ahead and lifted both of the beds to the ceiling, laid flat the porch to open up this nice big 11-foot garage to show you how much space you'll have. 3,000 pound load capacity on the ramp in the down position. And notice the sliding glass door. They pivot back to open up to expose all the room you possibly can need. Here's a pro tip for you. It's a really windy day out here right now, and these things act like parachutes. They want to just blow in. So if you're by yourself, take the screened in porch, kind of fold it back. See there, look at there. It holds it nicely up out of the way, but just be cautious. Try not to bump into it, causing that glass to break. Same thing over here. This thing is a big, huge parachute in the wind right now. So just take your porch, holding it back out of the way to assist you with loading or possibly offloading some of your equipment if you're by yourself. Well, I greatly do appreciate you guys sticking around this long in the video. Leave me a thumbs up. It greatly does help me out. For questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, come see us.